again. Well, I am cooking chicken turkey soup right here. I don't know if you can see it. Not done yet. I don't have good equipment, so I can't really transition to show you what's in my pot. And if you've watched earlier, I said that I don't like to use this pot, and it's true, but I had a lot of soup to make, so I had to resort to that one. So I don't talk about that more later, but I am making that. I'm trying to put up decorations and get ready for Christmas, and put things in my garage. And so I decided I needed a snack because I've been working all day long, and so it's now 3 something, and I've been up since about 9, and I had a bowl of cereal about then, and 6.5 hours or 6 hours and 15 minutes later, I think I need a snack. So when I realize that my door is open, anyway, I'll get the hang of this. So I'm going to make sunflower butter and banana sandwich. And if you know about Elvis Presley, apparently he liked fried peanut butter and banana sandwiches, and I've had that as a dessert, and it's really good. But I'm gonna make this crunchy sunflower butter and banana sandwich as a snack, and I might put some jelly in there. I have blackberry. So this is just kind of a late lunch, not making anything elaborate because I'm already doing a lot. I had to bleach out a stain in the christening gown of the baby Jesus, although my baby Jesus has blonde hair and blue eyes, which, yeah, Jesus would not have had blonde hair and blue eyes. He, although supposedly, who was it? It was, oh, I forget. One of the historians, Josephus. Josephus supposedly wrote that he was fair and comely looking, which in medieval language means that he was attractive. But anyway, I digress. Anyway, so I've got my nut butter on here. I'm gonna place my bananas on here. Now, this is an entire banana that I cut. The technique I used was I cut it, well, it still had the skin on it. And like, this is an example right here. And I wanted thin little slices, and some of it cooperated, and then other parts it didn't, and that's okay. This is not a professional kitchen by any stretch of the imagination. I just make things that I like and might be popular. Depends on what you like in life. So I haven't tried a peanut butter and banana sandwich in a very long time. Oh, that's a rind. Don't want to eat that. They're not toxic or anything like that. They just don't taste good. So I'll be right back. Had to wash my hands. Okay, I'm gonna try this. See how I like it with just the peanut butter. The sunflower butter. I'm so used to peanut butter, I keep saying peanut butter. And the banana. Let's see if it's so good. This does look yummy. So let's give it the old taste test and see. That is so good. I don't need jelly. It's literally finger licking good. You know a sandwich is good when you gotta lick the finger. Well, since it doesn't need jelly, I'm not gonna put any on there. I'm just gonna eat my sunflower butter and banana sandwich, have a glass of milk, have a late lunch, and then I'll get back to work. But if you want to make this, it's just probably 2.5 tablespoons of, this is Simple Truth organic crunchy sunflower butter, and a banana. Now my banana was just ripe. It wasn't extremely ripe. I like bananas anywhere from being still a little green, and this one was, to sorry, I'm licking my lips, it's really good, to practically black and mushy, because the banana oils are really strong then. But when I make a banana milkshake, and it's really a banana smoothie. There's really no ice cream in there. I got kernels in all over my mouth. Anyway, that's how I use them. But again, if you want to make this, it's just about 2.5 tablespoons of crunchy sunflower butter. You don't have to use this brand, but it is a good brand, and they're not sponsoring it, but I do recommend this. And I got this from H-E-B, and H-E-B is very popular here in Texas. If you're up north, you might try Myers. I used to shop at Myers when I lived up north. Really good place. I don't know what you might have if you live, say, in New England or New York, but try some sunflower butter and banana on a sandwich. And I have whole wheat bread, because I'm allergic to barley, and I have only found this brand, which is Nature's Own. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Nature's Own whole wheat. It's the only brand I've been able to find that has whole wheat and no barley. And for me, having barley is like people who are gluten intolerant. It's only a little worse, because I'm actually allergic to it. So give this a try and see if you like it. It really is so good.